Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to log out account on ClickUp. Maybe you want to ensure the security of your data and prevent unauthorized access, especially when you are using a shared mobile. So today I'm going to show you how to log out account on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. On this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on this gear icon at the top right to open the settings page. In this page, scroll up, and below, you can now see this logout button. Since you wanted to log out of your account, you simply need to tap on this button. After that, you now have successfully logged out of your ClickUp account. You are now directed to the login screen where you should enter your account details to log into your account again. This step ensures your account security and privacy, especially if you are using a shared device. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out account on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out account on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.